In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the list view in Airtable interfaces. First, open your browser and head over to the Airtable homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Once you're in, look for the base you want to work with. In this example, we'll open a base that's currently called Untitled Base. Click on that to open it up. Inside your base, you'll see your usual tables and data. To start working with the list view in an interface, look for the option to create something new. This may appear as a button or menu item labeled Create New. Click that, and from the options that appear, select List. This tells Airtable that you want to create a new list-style view for your interface. Next, confirm by clicking Create New View. This sets up a fresh list view that you can customize. At first, it might look pretty simple, but we're going to make it much more useful. One of the most powerful parts of the list view is the ability to structure your information with levels. Look for the option called Set Levels and click on it. Levels let you define a hierarchy in your list, such as projects at the top level and tasks nested underneath. This is especially helpful if you're managing related records and want to see parent and child items together in a clear way. You'll see various configuration areas or fields you can interact with. When the instructions say to click on a highlight, that refers to a specific setting or drop-down in that panel. Follow those highlights to choose which fields feed into each level you've set and how your record should be organized within the list. Now, move on to Customize Rows. Click on that to control what information appears for each record in the list. Here, you can choose which fields show up on each row, such as a name, status, due date, or owner. Again, click the highlighted areas to select or adjust fields. This is where you make the list truly readable at a glance. Next, click on Group. Grouping lets you cluster records based on a field, like status or priority. After opening Group, use the highlighted options to pick the field you want to group by. This will create sections in your list, making it easier to scan and manage. Then, click on Color. Colors help visually separate categories or statuses. Use the highlighted controls to assign colors based on conditions, such as different colors for different statuses. This can make your list view much more intuitive. As you click the remaining highlighted options, you're essentially fine-tuning these same concepts: levels, row customization, grouping, and color. Take a moment to tweak each one until your list is easy to read and matches how you think about your data. By the end of this process, you'll have a customized list view in your Airtable interface that presents your records in a structured, colorful, and easy-to-navigate layout.